Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We got our first, what you would say, snow. That actually is considered a snowfall amount. Not sure exactly how much we got out there, but Carmen and I are going to go play. We're walking out to the snow. There's the hubby. He's been out here cleaning everything up. Carmen is bundled up, got her new snow boots on.
Alright, Carmen, you ready for snowball to mommy's face? That is the plus. Number 2, have fun. Number 3, dad's off limits. And 4, just have a bunch of fun. You ready? It's the cheese.
Dad thinks he's funny. How much snow do you think we got out here, honey?
It was about 3.
3 inches. He'd been working out here most of the morning, getting everything cleared out. They said that they would get to it, but they haven't gotten to it yet. But he went ahead and did that and got the car out. And I have to go back to work tomorrow. Alright, Carmen. Go ahead and play. Ooh, snow. Go ahead. You can go out. You can make snow angels. You just don't know what to do with yourself, do you? Yeah, did you pick it up? Make a snowball. Go ahead. Oh, boy. Yes. You love the snow, huh? You making tracks? Huh? Make a snowball. As you can see, we're pretty bundled up. We're used to the Ohio weather, but it's just nice because last year Carmen was pretty small and she didn't really, she enjoyed it, but she didn't really understand it. Now she really knows what it is and she loves it. Trying to turn this around. Just give me a second. There we go. Oh, yay! You did it! Yep, just spending the day enjoying what we're given, and yeah, it looks like we got about 3 inches. We brought my pots up of the herbs and things. Some of them, like the strawberries right there, we're not too worried about that. They just went dormant. Of course, my broccoli did not make it. It got too cold too quick, but that's okay. Yep, that's okay. Can you say hi? Say hi, everyone. You gonna throw the snow? Yay! You did it. And we won't stay out here too long, just long enough for her to enjoy the snow that she now knows what it is. It snowed all day yesterday, and she kept saying, it's snowing, and uh-oh, here comes Daddy kicking up snow. Oh! She was singing, you know the song Let It Go from Frozen, but she was singing Let It Snow. It was so cute. Daddy's making a snowball, and I'm out here drinking my warm coffee. And he just threw snow on me. So, that's not cool.
That was rule number 1.
Yeah, well, rules.
See how I got mommy? Get her.
No, get daddy.
No, rule number 4.
So that's about it. Just wanted to get on here for a few minutes and touch base with everyone. And we're going to keep enjoying watching Carmen loving in the snow and throwing snowballs and making her version of angels. And hope you all have a great day. Stay warm out there. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that share button. Love y'all.
Yeah, you did it.
Yeah, you threw it. Now give one.
You did it. And by the way, this is how we can stay warm out here. And Gypsy's out. She's playing with Carmen in the snow. She loves the snow. That's it, everyone. Bye.